look at yet. We're just getting started, so we've got a lot of bare floors that we're covering and working on and cleaning. Super excited. Once we get started, we're going to be doing a lot of the fabrication here on island and in this building, so that we can bring these exhibits to the keiki without buying off-the-shelf stock things, building it locally, which means we're using local community. We're trying to engage local craftspeople, because we do have a lot of local woodworkers and fabricators here on island. People here love to build stuff.
Yes.
It's like
I know hands.
That's right. And
Malama. Yeah. We want to incorporate every aspect of locality we can.
we're also setting up our workshop, so we're going to have a lot of tools kind of ready to go and in position. They're not in the right locations yet, and they're not really easily accessible yet. What are you grinding off the floor there?
Some bolts, some big bolts that are in the concrete that need to come out.
Mahalo, aloha, shaka.